In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change screen brightness in Windows 10. If your screen ever feels too bright at night or too dim during the day, adjusting the brightness can make a huge difference for your eyes and your overall comfort. In Windows 10, there are a few simple ways to do this, and I'll walk you through the most common and reliable method so you can quickly get to the level that feels right for you. First, let's open the Settings app. Move your mouse to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button, which looks like the Windows logo. From the menu that appears, click on the gear icon to open Settings. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I together to open Settings instantly. Once the Settings window is open, look for the option called System and click on it. This is where Windows groups together options related to your display, sound, notifications, and power. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of sections. Make sure you're in the Display section. It's usually the first one at the top, and it might already be selected by default. On the right side of the window, you'll see a slider labeled Change Brightness or something very similar. This is the main control for your screen brightness. Click and hold the slider, then drag it left to make your screen dimmer, or drag it right to make it brighter. As you move the slider, your screen will adjust in real time, so take a moment to find a level that feels comfortable. If you're in a bright room or near a window, you may want it a bit higher. If you're working at night or your eyes feel strained, try lowering it. If you're using a laptop, you might also see an option related to battery and power. Sometimes Windows lets you adjust brightness differently when you're on battery power versus when you're plugged in. It's a good idea to keep your brightness a bit lower on battery to help your laptop last longer between charges. When you're happy with the brightness level, you can close the Settings window by clicking the X in the top right corner. Windows will remember your choice, so the next time you start your computer, it will use the brightness you just set. And that's all you need to do to change screen brightness in Windows 10.